Well, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Rider Ramblings. I trust you all had a good Christmas, and that you're looking forward to the new year. As I understand it, for most people there won't be very many festivities, and I notice that the curfew in parts of France has been extended, so from it was starting at 8 o'clock in the evening, and in the areas where it's been extended it's now 6 o'clock in the evening. But anyhow, let's forget about that, and I trust that you had a Merry Christmas, etc. Don't know what Charlie's doing. I'm 13. So anyhow, this is the first ride out for a while. We've had some very cold weather, and it's been raining a lot, and we're expecting snow here. I know that a lot of you already have snow, and that it's made life a bit difficult for a lot of you. So it didn't quite arrive with us, although it has been cold. We did, as I say, get a warning for it for the next few days, so it looks like 2020 will end up with a flurry of snow showers or whatever for us. Yes, not good. Never mind. Anyhow, it's a run out to wash the bike, actually. I put her away dirty last time, which was very naughty of me, and so I'm going to give her a very good wash. Priority à droite, which is pretty stupid, but never mind. Anyhow, yes, so we're off to wash the bike and give her a good clean for the new year. Another priority à droite, which is not good. Anyhow, yes. So there's not really that much news, unfortunately. As I say, it's all to do with the current problems and so on. Oh yes, there is a piece of news. I don't know if you're aware of it, but various medical experts recommend that you should try and learn something new every year. This doesn't mean, you know, something small, but something relatively difficult to learn, something that you've not done before. That's why you're learning it, of course, but something that does take a bit of study. And I've been doing this for the last probably 5 or 6 years, picking a new subject, if you would, to study every year. So in previous years I tried to learn to fly a drone, but that was pretty stupid because I live in a no-fly area, and it's not a little no-fly area, it's a humongous no-fly area. You've got to travel about half an hour, 45 minutes before you can actually get to an area where you can fly a drone. So, although I did learn to fly one, I didn't get enough practice as I would like on that. And then I learnt to sort of repair watches. I'm going to say sort of, because mainly it was changing things like the battery and straps and little things, you know, replacing the O-rings, the waterproof O-rings and little things like that. So, but watches are each different from each other. Would be nice if they actually all had the same system, but of course they don't. So I learnt that, and I also tried to teach myself how to... Ooh, this road is not very good, is it? Edit videos. And again, I learnt the various tricks about doing picture-in-picture and slow motion and this type of thing, but I found out that I can't really tell when the colour balance is wrong. Oops. And also, because I'm partially deaf, I have a problem with the sound, so I can't tell when the sound is good or bad. I did try. Which is probably one of the reasons why people tell me that my videos don't sound very good, but to me I can't tell any difference. I really can't. You can, I suppose you can sometimes tell the difference with some things. What's going on here? But in general, I can't really tell much of a difference with the sound because I'm, as I say, partially deaf. Oops. I really do need to think about some of these things. And I taught myself a new computer language, one which I hadn't done before. What else I've done? These are the sorts of things that I've been doing to try and learn something new every year. Oh, this road's not very good. Never mind. So, this year, I thought it doesn't really matter about colour and it doesn't matter about sound. So let's do something that doesn't involve colour or much colour or sound. So I'm going to learn leathercraft. Moroccanery, I believe they call it. Moroccanery. If you speak French, then you probably know the word connery, so I'm going to call it Moroccanery, because it's very likely that it will be a connery. But, not being artistic, or very artistic, I was taught how to draw. And I did end up doing one or two reasonable drawings of buildings. But I'm not in any way artistic at all. Music, colour, or anything like that. So, anyhow, I'm going to learn how to do this. Now, one of the reasons I've decided this is that you can actually get patterns and pictures and things like this for free off the internet, and you're able to trace these onto your work, and therefore have things at the correct size. So that is this year's task, this year's study. So we're going to see how that works. As I say, I know nothing about leather. I wear leather shoes and a leather jacket, and leather belts, but if you ask me anything else about leather, unknown. I really don't know. Sorry, I have to turn the ventilation on because I'm steaming up a bit. So we will have to see. So to that end, Santa brought me a leather working kit. No idea how good it is. No idea how good it is at all. So, but we're going to find out. And so, starting probably tomorrow, I will be teaching myself leather work. And seeing what's involved. So, as well as the kit, I also got some scrap leather for Christmas as well, so that I can practice making holes in it and sewing it and gutting it, gluing it. It's not a full piece of leather. It's the scrap that you get from the workshops after they've made things. So although there are fairly large pieces in there, you can certainly make something from it. Not a bag, but probably a wallet and keychains and small items like that. So we will see. We will see. As I say, I do apologise for the noise, but when I close the vent, I start to steam up virtually immediately, even with I don't know what Charlie's doing here. Even with a pinlock visor. So yeah. Anyhow, so I'll leave the camera running. I will wish you and your family a very Merry Christmas and a happy and healthy and prosperous New Year. And if you don't celebrate such things, I wish you the compliments of the season. Thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you next time.